Welcome to Swarup ki Rasoi. Today I am uploading a recipe for dates burfi. My recipe is different from the usual one which people are used to. As we all know, dates burfi has got quite a lot of sugar in it, though we do not add any extra sugar. I have made it less sweet, making it much more healthier. Hope you like my recipe. If you like my recipe, do not forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take a few almonds, walnuts and cashew nuts and chop them finely as shown in the video. You can choose the dry fruits of your choice and also vary the proportion and the amount. Gather it together and keep aside. Take 1 teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter in a pan and add the chopped dry fruits. Roast till they start changing color, then add the raisins and roast for further couple of minutes. Then remove them, draining any excess ghee and keep aside. Remove the stone of the date by slitting it on one side and then cut it into pieces. Repeat with all the dates. Then add milk and stir till the dates become soft. Then add the dry fruits and 1 teaspoon of ghee and mix well. Add milk powder little at a time with mixing to form a smooth mixture till it becomes thickened and starts leaving the sides of the pan. If you have added more ghee, the ghee should separate, but I have added only little ghee, so we can't see it separating. Add cardamom, nutmeg and cinnamon powder. Mix well. Transfer it to a tray lined with greased aluminum foil. Press with the back of the spoon to make it smooth and refrigerate for a couple of hours. Then cut it into pieces and transfer to serving plate and enjoy the delicious dates burfi.